Hello, naalala nyo ba nung maliliit pa tayo di ba naglalangoy tayo sa mga tangke? Di ba tangke ng tubig? Sa amin sa Itogon may malaking tangke kami doon. Doon kami naglalangoy. Pero alam nyo, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng malaking tangke. Ang daming naglalangoy. Tapos ito pa mataas sa tuktok ng building. Papakita ko sa iyo itong malaking tangke na ito. O, tignan nyo, oh. Ang laking, di ba? Ang laking tangke ito. Oh. O, di ba? O, may nagpipicture pa. Marami nagsiselfie. Ayan yung malaking tangke. Hanggang dun sa dulo, malaking tangke ito. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng malaking tangke. Ito pa sa bubong. Sa bubong ng bahay ng malaking building. Kaya kung titignan nyo, napakataas, oh. Di ba? Oh, sino hindi magugulat sa malaking tangke na ito? Oh, tignan nyo. Ang dami pang magaganda sa tangke. Ngayon na ako nakakita, parang mga mukhang sirena. Pero may mga paa, magaganda pa sila. Oh. Oh. Ang ganda talaga ng tangke na ito. Ngayon na ako nakakita ng ganitong tangke talaga sa buhay ko. Ngayon lang ako nakakita. Tapos ang ganda-ganda talaga. Oh. Tapos may niyog pa. Oh, tingnan mo, may niyog pero walang bunga. Ayan, maraming niyog. Maraming niyog dito. Oh. Diba? Oh. Diba ang ganda ng view talaga? Kaya kung gusto nang maganda, dito tayo sa malaking tangke. Dito tayo maglalangoy. Oh. Ang gandang tangke nito. O, ito kayo.
Infinity Pool, Marina Bay Sand.
Hi guys, so it's 8 o'clock in the morning, so we came up to the top of the hotel. It's on the 57th floor. We are in Manila Bay.
Manila?
No, sorry, it's not Manila Bay. Marina Bay Sands, Patalastan. Hello guys, good morning to everyone. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, so we are in Singapore at the moment. And we are in Marina Bay Sands Hotel. So this is called Infinity Pool, and this is actually on top of the building. It's on the 57th floor. So as you can see, those buildings, the scenery is actually very, very nice. And amazing view. Look at that. So, hello, hi, good morning to everyone. Don't mind about my hair, but look at the scenery. Look at that, isn't it amazing? So, we are in Marina Bay Sands Hotel, and where I am at the moment is actually on top of the hotel. It's on the 57th floor. So it's a swimming pool on top of Hi, good morning everyone. It's me, Ibaloyman. So I am in Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. So where I am at the moment, I'm on top of the building. It's a swimming pool on top of the building. It's on the 57th floor. So it is an amazing place. It's a beautiful place. So as you can see, there are tall buildings behind me. It is an amazing view. So just a quick look. There you go. There you go. And there you go. So I'm having a nice day, and I'm hoping everyone is having a nice day too. Goodbye.